Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel where we explore the mysteries of the universe. In this video, we will be discussing the fascinating topic of why everything in the universe seems to revolve around big objects. Have you ever wondered why everything in the universe seems to revolve around big objects? From planets orbiting around stars to stars orbiting around the center of a galaxy, it appears that everything in the universe is subject to the influence of massive objects. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and delve into the physics of gravity and how it shapes the structure of the universe. To understand why everything in the universe revolves around big objects, we need to first discuss the concept of gravity. Gravity is a fundamental force that exists between any two objects that have mass. The force of gravity is what keeps planets in orbit around stars, moons in orbit around planets, and even our own bodies on the surface of the Earth. The strength of gravity is proportional to the mass of the objects and inversely proportional to the distance between them. This means that the larger the mass of an object, the stronger its gravitational force, and the closer the objects are, the stronger the force between them. Now, let's talk about the formation of our universe. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe was created around 13.8 billion years ago from a single point of infinite density and temperature, known as the singularity. After the Big Bang, the universe started to expand rapidly, and matter began to clump together due to gravity. As matter continued to clump together, it formed large structures such as galaxies, stars, and planets. The most massive objects in these structures, such as supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies, have the strongest gravitational forces. These objects are the ones that dominate the motion of everything else in their vicinity. For example, the reason planets revolve around stars is that the star's massive gravity keeps them in orbit. Similarly, the reason moons revolve around planets is that the planet's gravity keeps them in orbit. In a galaxy, the central supermassive black hole dominates the motion of the stars and other objects in its vicinity, causing them to revolve around it. But why do smaller objects like planets and moons revolve around larger objects like stars and planets? This has to do with the conservation of angular momentum. Angular momentum is a measure of the amount of rotation an object has around its axis. When a planet or moon is formed, it has some initial angular momentum. As it orbits a larger object, such as a star or planet, its direction of motion changes due to the gravitational pull of the larger object. However, the conservation of angular momentum ensures that the planet or moon continues to rotate in the same plane, but in a slightly different direction. This is why we see planets orbiting stars in a flat plane. In conclusion, everything in the universe revolves around big objects because of the fundamental force of gravity and the formation of our universe. The most massive objects have the strongest gravitational forces, which dominate the motion of everything else in their vicinity. Smaller objects like planets and moons revolve around larger objects like stars and planets due to the conservation of angular momentum. Studying this phenomenon helps us understand the workings of the universe and the laws of physics that govern it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.